I'm here in Panama City at UNICEF Logistic Hub for Latin America and the Caribbean. Here, our teams are preparing a shipping of immediate life-saving supplies for children in Venezuela affected by the tragic earthquake of last Wednesday. Two earthquakes, 7.5 and 7.2 of magnitude, struck an area where 3.9 million children live, with tragic consequences. For this reason, we are preparing an immediate shipping of 22 tons of essential life-saving supplies. This includes medical kits, obstetrician kits, sterilization kits, but also personal protection material. These supplies will reach our team on the ground, already moving from day one, from the first moment to save lives. This includes helping children access potable water, health services, safe spaces, and psychosocial support. For all this, we need all your support now.